Hello again, my name's Gabe Zollner. Don't know if you caught this, but in Alabama, the Supreme Court refused to change the direction by a lower federal court, which permits gay marriage in Alabama. Now, Alabama is a real big Bible area, you know, and usually they're sort of not in favor of homosexuals and lesbians getting married. And you're going to find this article rather interesting. It's on Newsman. You're not going to have to look for it. I'll attach the link. Thomas Scalia slam High Court gay marriage ruling in Alabama case. As you may or may not know, the Supreme Court's supposed to come out with their ruling on gay marriage throughout all the states. And what Thomas feels that what they did by allowing this to go forward, both he and Justice Antonio Scalia feel that the Supreme Court sort of tipped their hand. In other words, they're going to be in favor of allowing gay marriages to take place in all states. At the present time, with Alabama jumping onto the bandwagon, there's a total of 37 states that permit gay and lesbian marriages. You know, if you've been viewing me for a while, I've told you that justice is not blind. What we have on the Supreme Court, I believe, is a number of lesbians. I think Elena Kagan is a lesbian. I wouldn't be surprised if Ruth Ginsburg was or is a lesbian. Nor would I be surprised if Sonia Sotomayor is a lesbian. Barack Hussein Obama, being a homosexual, living with a transgender, has worked diligently to put individuals like Elena Kagan, Sonia Sotomayor, onto the Supreme Court for the reasons that we're now seeing, which is their position on gay marriage. Once again, by not intervening at this time and allowing gay marriages to take place in Birmingham, Alabama, both Thomas and Justice Antonio Scalia, they believe that the Supreme Court will rule that all states, even those that are opposed to gay marriage, will have no option. What Obama's been doing diligently, he's been undermining the beliefs of Christians and replacing them with his own beliefs. And as a Muslim, which is what I believe he is, it's in total contradiction. But everything that he's done is in total contradiction, is it not? Yes. It's very interesting. Read the entire article. You're going to find it to be somewhat revealing, not at all surprising. Once again, Obama's worked diligently to bring gay marriage into the forefront. No difference than he's worked diligently to protect Islam. By not having gone to participate in the event that took place in Paris, he sent a very strong message, and I've said this in previous videos as well. And what he told the Islamists, the extremists, he's got their back. It's really insane. You couldn't write a book where people would believe any of it. let alone all of it. I sort of told you what I think. I told you what Clarence Thomas thinks, and I told you what Justice Antoine Scalia thinks. The question now is, what do you think? More important, does it matter? No. We have no choice. We are being dictated to. By whom? Barack Hussein Obama. That's by whom.